Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to record another video to showcase our VPS language change feature inside of our VPS control panel on our client website. So as you can see, once you visit the VPS change language page, you'll see 10 different language options. In this example here, you can see I have a VPS that is currently in English and I want to change it to Spanish. So I'll come to this page, click Spanish, scroll down here, and you'll see a notice that states in order for the change to take effect, the VPS needs to be restarted after the installation is done. We give you the option to select manual restart, which means you would have to restart the VPS yourself, or automatic restart. In this case, as soon as the installation is done, the system will restart itself and boot back into the new language you selected. So for this example, I will select automatic reboot and click change language. Once I've done this, the installation is currently happening in the background on the VPS. The process will take about 5 minutes to complete, and I will follow up with you as soon as the VPS is back online. After about 5 minutes, you'll see that the installation has been completed, and we see a message stating that the VPS is going to reboot itself in a minute. So we will wait for that to complete, and we'll check the results. There we go, there's a VPS restarting itself. It's booting back into Windows. As you can already see, the welcome screen is in Spanish now, but I will complete the installation or complete the process by logging into the VPS. And as you can see, the system language is completely in Spanish. So that is a demonstration of our one-click installation for language packs. We have 10 options for languages, and of course, if you don't see one here that you need, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll be happy to assist you. If you have any questions, please contact us at newyorkcityservers.com. Thanks.